Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Viala Sesia. I'm English Language Education Postgraduate student of Unindra with student number 202-474-6059. In this video, I'm going to talk about mastering the art of beginning and ending a speech. The outline is important of a strong opening, and then the introduction, the technique for an effective introduction, and then crafting a memorable conclusion, and the last is conclusion. And the first is importance of strong opening. We will explore the importance of a strong opening. The first is capturing the audience's attention. The importance of first impression, the initial moment of your speech, set the tone for the entire presentation, making first impression vital. And then storytelling techniques. Cooperation storytelling can create emotional connecting and enhance audience engagement for the start. And the last is using humor effectively. Humor can lighten the mood and make your audience more receptive to your message right away. And the next, setting the tone and context. The first is important of tone. The tone set the stage for how your message is perceived, influencing audience engagement and emotional response. The second is align tone with topic. Choose a tone that aligns with your topic, help to create a case or impactful message for the audience. And the last, engage the audience. A well-set tone enhances audience engagement for the very beginning, making them more receptive to your message. And the second of the outline is the introduction. The introduction has four objectives. The first is get the attention and interest of your audience, reveal the topic of your speech, establish your credibility and goodwill, and preview the body of the speech. And then get attention and interest. The method of get attention and interest, the first is related the topic to the audience. State the importance of your topic and start of audience. Arouse the curiosity of the audience and then question the audience and tell a story. And then begin with a quotation. And the last is news visualize. Next, tips for the introduction. The first is keep the introduction relative brief. Be on the lookout for possible introductory material as you do your research. And then be creative in device your introduction. And then don't worry about the extra wording of your introduction until you have find is preparing the body of the speech. And work out your introduction in detail. And the last is when you present the speech, don't start talking to sound. Next, we will explore the techniques for effective introduction. The first is using a powerful quote of anecdote. The first is compelling opening. A strong opening quote or anecdote can captivate your audience's attention and set the tone for your message. And the second is relatability. Sharing a personal story makes your message more relatable, allowing the audience to connect with your experiences. And the last is impact communication, starting with acute or negative increase to the impact of your message, leaving a lasting impression on your audience. Next, asking and judging questions. Encourage critical thinking. Passing thought-provoking questions encourage the audience to think critical and analyzing the topic in depth. Enhance audience involvement. Engaging questions increase audience involvement and make them feel part of the discussion, fostering a collaborating environment. Boosting attention span. Thought-provoking questions can boost attention, ensuring that the audience stay focused and engage talk to the present. Presenting a compelling static for fact. Engage your audience. Striking statistic can immediately engage your audience, making them more interested in your topic from the start. And then provide context. Related fact can provide essential context, helping the audience understand the significance of your topic more clearly. Increase impact. Using a compelling fact enhances to the impact of your presentation, making your message more memorable to the audience. Reinforce the central idea. The first is summarize your speech, and with a quotation, make a dramatic statement, and then refer to the introduction. And then the outline of crafting a memorable conclusion. Next, recapping key points. First, importance of summarization. Summarizing key points reinforces the message and ensure clarity. It keeps the audience engaged and focused. The second is key takeaways. Highlighting the main takeaways allow the audience to remember critical information and apply in the future. And the last, reinforce the message. A strong recap reinforces the message, making it more memorable and impactful for the audience. Next, leaving the audience with a final thought and scoring reflection. Concluding with a powerful idea encourages your audience to reflect on the message present during the speech. The second is inspiration for action. A thought-provoking final message can inspire your audience to take action based on the ideas shared in your speech. Lasting impact. A memorable conclusion leaves a lasting impact on your audience's mind, ensuring your message stays with them. Next, using a call to action. The first is motivation to audience. A strong call to action inspires your audience to take specific steps after your speech and have the impact of your message. The second is driving engagement. Clear and compelling call to action can drive audience engagement and foster a commitment to change. And the last, encourage change. Effective call to action encourage meaningful change by prompting to audience to act on the information provided. And then two major functions of speech conclusion. No matter what kind of speech you are giving, the conclusion has two major functions. To let the audience know you are ending the speech. And then the Last is the reinforce the audience's understanding of or commitment to and the central idea. Next, tip for the conclusion. As with the introduction, keep an edge out for concluding material as your research and development speech. Conclude with a bang, not a whimper. Don't be long-winded. Don't be let anything in your conclusion to change. Conclusion. Importance of opening. Creating a strong opening set the tone for the entire presentation and capture the audience's attention. And then significance of closing. A powerful conclusion reinforces the message and leave a lasting impression on the audience, making memorable. And the last is technique for engagement, using storytelling, humor, and personal anecdote enhance engagement, making presentation more relatable and impactful. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.